This is a new 2015 Ford Mustang. It's powered by rear-wheel drive, a 3.7-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a power convertible top, electric trunk, Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync voice activation, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, aluminum rims, a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, an alarm system, cruise control. Safety was made a priority with these features: side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, parking sensors, stability control. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Lumberton Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 5045 Dawn Drive, Lumberton, North Carolina 28358.